Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Today is on the 15th, what we did yesterday is over here. I'm about to congratulate everybody that took this trade. So yesterday we were looking for buys above this point, right? Looking for buys above here, looking for sales below here. And when the market got to this point, the buys didn't really happen because we're waiting for a candle to close above this level. But then there's no candle that closed above that level. All of these were fake outs, you see? All of these are fake outs. Now down here, we're looking for sales below this line over here. This one was not really good because this happened immediately when we did this analysis. I didn't really take over here. This one I didn't really take as well because I didn't like the way the second candle started. I missed this one as well, and I thought that I've missed the whole move. But then I sought to give my trade a second chance. Over here, the moment I saw this candle close like this closed very well. The next one didn't really go up or weak or anything. It just closed within the range. I executed now myself from this point. Okay, we went to take profit one immediately, then moved to take profit two, went up, made a high, brought it low all the way to take profit three, and yeah, I have to take profit four. So everybody that took this trade, if you had the sales, because the stop loss were was already way above over here, so even if you had put stop loss above the previous high, which is over there, no trade would have touched that area. Yeah, but this was a great move yesterday. So congratulations, everybody. What do we have today? Today we have unemployment claims. Nothing much. GBP, we have the CPI, the GDP on the GBP, but again, we're not trading the GBP. So let's see. Go and remove all this and then do a fresh new analysis. Very quick price action based on market structure. We're gonna observe just the highs and the lows in the market, what the market is doing, and hopefully we get. So this is where we're taking our monthly low. All right. This is the most immediate area that we expect rejection once the market start pushing down. Again, still applies. The highs are not yet because the current candles are making the highs, so we can't really call them a resistant level. D daily, this is the daily support. Sorry, yeah, on the daily we do have also a high now. Yesterday's candle made it's the highest. Okay, so they have a daily high. 4 hours still upon this area, and that's where the market is right now. The 4 hours resistant. That's the four support, sorry. We are down here to 1 hour. 1 hour, we're looking at this as the most immediate place that we need the market to break over here. And that's the low over the same area. And 30 minutes will be the last. 30 minutes has its own level that is trying to break over here. Look, has its own level that is working very hard to break over here. This one gonna push it to that point. Okay, this is good. This is good. All right. So we have those levels that needs to be covered by the market. In terms of the sales, this is where we are right now. So we're gonna readjust this a bit to cover that, and then we see something like this, something like that. All right. So what we have is a potential should buys above here. Potential buys above that area and potential sales below this area over here. Because on the sales, we're gonna push all the way to this point. And the sales is gonna push us to this point over here. Then from that point, you're gonna push to that point. All right. So this is a no trade range. Over here, no trades to be taken. Okay. Maybe looking at that today. Either buys above that point, sells above whatever side it breaks, that's where I'm going with. If it breaks the low, I'm gonna be going with the lows. But of course they gotta make sense. But really like the way the market is right now. Okay. All right, so potential buys about that point. I'm gonna hit TP for one over here, two. Yeah, in between this level. So we're just gonna do TP one over here, probably TP two, TP three, and then this one is gonna be TP one, then gonna be TP two over here, and TP three down here. All right. Yeah, so basically that's what I'm waiting for. So if this kind of breaks above this point, I'm gonna take the buys and push up with it. All right. This is what I'm gonna be looking at. Let's check on this. Let's see how it happens. Risk manage your trades well. Trade what you see, not what you think. And let's meet tomorrow. We'll do a review of the same. All right. Happy hunting. Congratulations, everybody. This week we've had continuous profits. Like every day, the market has been going to take profit. You just need to be patient. Execute the trade, be patient, wait for it. Okay? Like now, this one, we execute, stop loss there, leave it. This one, we execute, stop loss above that point, leave it. All right? It's gonna go. It's gonna go either way. All right? All right, guys, take care. Have a good one. Bye bye. And happy hunting.